we're jamming this morning, tent's already and everything's packed up. I've got 2 weeks worth of hardwoods with me to be at about 9,500 to 10,000 feet in elevation. It's really cold up there. The winds are going to be crazy. It's supposed to be up to 40 miles an hour at night and during the daytime. Those are going to be the gusts. The sustained winds are anywhere from 15 to 25. See her, girl. Where'd you go, sweetie? Where you at, pumpkin? There you are, pumpkin. What you doing? What's up, girl? All right, currently camping next to my buddies over there. That's their place. And got set up with the tent here yesterday. Made some really nice walls around here for wind, and that way when the storm really starts to set in today, we'll be in good shape. You can see here, this wall is almost down here, like level. It's almost covering the tent door there, which would be great. What's up, girl? And I actually took quite a bit of effort to get all this squared away. I was worn out after yesterday. I got here like right about 2:30 and didn't get done shoveling this until the sun started going down. So I had to set this up within about 15-20 minutes, and I was able to get it up and jamming and get the stove on before it got too dark. So today the plan is just kind of hang out, see if we want to make these a little bit taller. It's probably about waist high with these walls right now, and that'll be good. We've got plenty of snow over here to throw up on there. The solar or the Starlink's been working great. Had the heater on a little bit this morning because there was some snow and ice that accumulated on it. And as far as the storm's concerned, looks like it's starting to come in. Clouds are definitely starting to come in. It's all coming in from that way over there, so it's going to be blowing this way. And it's supposed to be a southwest wind throughout the rest of the day and into the evening. It's supposed to be temperatures up to 40 miles an hour, or winds up to 40 miles an hour. And temperatures, I think tonight, are going to get down in the teens with the 40-mile-an-hour wind. So we'll see how that works. Last night they said it was going to be windy, and even though it was windy, I didn't have much wind hit the tent, which is real nice. Let's go inside here and I'll show you. It's just super spacious and comfy. And I sit right here in the little butterfly chair, have my table over there just for, you know, making food and having it to rest up on. Kind of put some toiletries down there as well as my pack that holds all my fire making stuff. And then over here, water, wood, and then just our cot. And then over in the far corner, we've got the Zender 2000 Super Base Pro. That thing's awesome. That's a 2 kilowatt-hour battery. I plugged it into the generator last night here. They've got a 3,000 watt generator. My friends Jerry and Kevin do, and it fully charged within 45 minutes, which was amazing. So I'm pretty impressed with that. And then still rocking the Dometic 42, or is it the 45? Can't remember the size on that. But that's a CFX. This is a smaller one. I've been having that in my truck for years. So today the name of the game is just, you know, get ready for the winter storms that are arriving. Supposedly they said that could be up to 2 feet of snow here by midweek. So we'll see if that holds true. And I'll be ready. We got plenty of firewood. We got the truck bed completely full of hardwoods. And it's kind of nice just having my truck, you know, parked right here. And then I can go down and say what's up to my friends over there. but it makes it easy for me just to come out here, grab items, and then take them back into the tent. It makes it super simple. So Sierra, what do you want to do today, girl? You want to just sit in the snow and have fun? Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Come here. What are you doing, little girl? Come here. Oh, you're just a little stinker. Come here. What you thinking? You want to walk around today? Let's go walk around. Oh, hang on. Let me shut the tent door real quick. Start to snow a little bit in here. Go this way, sweetie. That wind's really picking up, and the snow definitely looks like it's coming over the mountain over there. So I think we're gonna get hit here shortly. You want to say what's up to the fellas? Let's go over there. So this is cool because Jerry and Kevin are working on making a sauna at their place, and they've got all the wood actually milled at a mill that they took some big old pine logs down. This guy took care of it for them and got it all squared away. So they've got their foundation done, and then we'll go over all the stuff here, and then I'll introduce you guys to channel. What's up, man? How you doing, bud? Good. How are you doing? Excellent. Nice day out. Let's come up here. All right, you go ahead. You go ahead and jump up. Go ahead. There you go. Little stinker. Tent's looking good. Man, this thing looks sharp when it's all set up. I love how the doors are angled like this, and that way I can zip open the door, kind of step in a little bit, but still be standing outside, but I can get my body in there and then shed gear, which is real nice. It's definitely coming down harder. Hey, come on, girl. Let's go this way. Come on. All right, let's go back inside. 1 second, Stinger. All right. There you go. So you going up there? Going up. Go ahead. Good girl. All right, storm's starting up, but gotta get some more firewood. I've got this great tote from Ellis Canvas Tents, and it's got a shoulder strap on it, which this is the first one I've ever seen that has a shoulder strap, which is such a great idea. And Dave Ellis from Ellis Canvas Tents, he was explaining to me the reasoning behind it. So we're gonna go to the back of the truck, get some more of the hardwoods that we have, probably load up for, well, we'll at least load up until tomorrow morning. So we'll probably grab, I don't know, maybe 10 pieces total of hardwood, because I mean, it just doesn't burn. You know, it doesn't burn fast. It just takes forever to go through it. So the stove is really doing great. I've only got one log in there right now, and you can see the stove fan. It's kicking out some good heat. So Sierra's just been chilling. What's up, baby girl? She's just been hanging out and napping, and now she's awakening from her slumber, so she may join me outdoors. So we're gonna pop outside real quick and grab this wood. Then I'm gonna run down to the cabin, say what's up to Jerry and Kevin real quick, and see if I left my water bottle there last night. I think I did when I went down there to charge the battery. So storm's raging pretty good though. Check this out. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can kind of see it. We'll get some better footage out there. Okay, you want to come outside, girl? You stay there. Alright, just relax. Oh yeah. It's coming down real good out here at the moment, I'd say. Alright, let's grab this stuff out of the back of the truck here. Alright, so like I was saying earlier, this has a shoulder strap on it, which is real convenient. You essentially just go like this, put it over your head, and you have one hand free, and you just load up. Alright, so here's about 8 pieces of wood right here. So we're going to go ahead and take that in real quick. I'd say with this hardwood, it just weighs like lead. Or it feels like it weighs like lead. It's just awesome. Burns forever in the stove, so it's really nice. I mean, I can operate off of pinyon and aspen no problem, but it's just you don't get the same burn times, and so that's why it's, for me, it's worth it to go and pay for the extra hardwood. It's an expense, but helps with like cooking, and I don't know, you just maintain a constant fire throughout the day and also the evening, so you don't have to get up that often to stoke the stove, which I think is really nice. Another thing that's nice, I get to see Gladys and Harry. They're super cool people. It's always fun chatting with them about various stuff. So I think the plan for this afternoon with this storm raging like this, man, it's really starting to come down now. So this is what they were talking about in the forecast. So we'll see how much we get today. I've got this whole area cleared right here, but this is all starting to stack up with snow. So hopefully we get a lot. We'd love to wake up to like a huge winter wonderland out here.